Breaking news: Moderna sues Pfizer for patent infringement in the development of the first COVID vaccine approved in the US, alleging they copied technology that Moderna developed years before the pandemic. So let's see what can we learn. How will these shares behave? So first of all, this is the chart of Moderna, and I started to look at it when the more or less in November 2019, when the COVID started in China. So the low here was $16, and the share went up, as you can see, 3,500% in 644 days to 484 till August 10, 2021. We will check in the chart of Moderna what happened then the share topped and fell. Anyway, since the COVID was still here in 2021 and 22, but the share fell. Now it trades at $140, and the stop should be $135 based on the natal chart of the share. So let's see what happened with Moderna. Let me see which is, okay, this is the natal chart of Moderna. Started to trade December 7, 2018. Only? I will have to check that anyway. With this chart, we have the Sun-Moon conjunct in Sagittarius, and when it topped in August 2021, Uranus was 150 to the Sun, and Saturn was 30 degrees to Saturn. Also, I'm checking the midpoint of the second and eighth house, and it falls in the 17 Taurus. So we know that Saturn is in between, very close. It's 14, but if we take 5 degrees orb, then it is exactly on the midpoint of the second and the eighth house. Also, Neptune arrived to 22 degrees, and this degree is called the kill or get killed degree. Okay, so the next one, this is Moderna today, with the transit today. You see Moderna sues Pfizer with today, and we can see that the ninth house of the law opens in Virgo. The ruler is Mercury, and Mercury gets is at 27 degrees. The natural ruler of the ninth house is Jupiter, and it gets 150. An opposition from Mars. Now Mars will be 8 months in Gemini because it will turn retro, so this will take a long time to settle. And also the open enemy is under Cancer, ruled by the Moon, and the Uranus is 150 to the Moon. So this will take a long time, a big issue. And Mercury now is at 0 Libra, and we know that Mercury also turns retro in the next week for 3 weeks. So this will not be an easy thing. Okay, then we can go on to see the chart of Pfizer. No, first we should see the Pfizer chart. So I also started it from November 1, 2019, when the price was $36.90, but actually it fell till March 20, and only then it started to rally, and made the high at $61. So it rallied by 135%, much lower than Moderna. In December 21 December it started to fall, and the stop loss now is $47. If it falls below it, then it is a sell or going short. So let us check the chart of Pfizer. The chart of Pfizer is 17 January 1944, and we have the sun in Capricorn, and Venus rules the 9th house of law, and at 17 degrees it is hit exactly by transit Uranus. Since Uranus moves very slowly, this we can also see here that it will take a long time. Also, the midpoint of the 2nd and 8th house is at 8 in Gemini, and as we know, Mars is now in Gemini, and it conjunct Uranus and the natal Uranus, and Mars will turn retro, so it will, and here is the midpoint, 8 in Gemini, so Mars will be on and off the midpoint, and we can see it here also that it will take a long time. There are many other aspects also. We can see that Saturn is 120 to Saturn, so this is an issue to the management, to the board. Saturn is in transit, in retro also, so also shows us that it will take a long time. So by these charts we can see that it will take a long time. The top, how can we see the top? This is very interesting. I just showed you the chart of Pfizer. It topped here in December 21. And what happened in December 21? Mars arrived exactly in opposition to Mars-Uranus conjunction in the natal chart. So any move of transit Mars will be important for this share. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. And if you have anything, any shares that you are holding, then just keep the stops that I said. So the stop for Pfizer is 47, and the stop for where is the other one? The stop for Moderna is 135. Okay, good luck.